Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay. I'm the author of the Potholder Loom Weaving Book, and a very astute weaver friend of mine told me that there is an error in the Dancing Lady chart for the 27-peg potholder loom, and so I'm very grateful to her for that. So on page 52 of the Potholder Loom Weaving Book, can't get it to go into focus, there we go, you'll see line 7, row 7, and there's the center line of warp strands in with the yellow highlighter, and the chart has a horizontal line, and that really does need to be a vertical line. So thank you again, Wendy, for spotting that. So when you're going through your book, please fix that one little error there. And happy weaving, and heartfelt apologies for that error slipping through. Honestly, I went over those charts over and over and over and over, and so did my editors, but sometimes these things happen. So, happy weaving, everyone. Talk to you again soon. Bye for now.